Welcome, everyone. So today we're diving into the world of Apple AirPods, exploring every detail from their innovative design to their exceptional performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the latest in wireless audio, you're in the right place. Before we get started, remember you can check out the product through the link in the description. It's a great way to get a first-hand look at what we'll be discussing today. First off, let's talk about the journey of Apple AirPods. From their initial release to the latest model, Apple has continuously revolutionized the way we experience music and audio. It's not just about listening, it's about immersing yourself in sound with convenience and style. What sets Apple AirPods apart is their seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. If you're an iPhone, iPad, or Mac user, the AirPods offer an unparalleled level of convenience. The moment you open the AirPods case near your device, they're ready to connect, making the pairing process as smooth as it gets. But it's not just about easy pairing. The sound quality of the AirPods is something that deserves a spotlight. With crisp highs, rich mids, and deep bass, the AirPods provide a balanced audio experience that's hard to find in other wireless earbuds. And let's not forget the battery life. Apple has made significant strides in ensuring that your AirPods last longer, keeping you connected to your music and calls throughout the day. With the charging case, you're looking at a total of more than 24 hours of listening time. And that's impressive for such a compact device. Speaking of compact, the design of the AirPods is another area where Apple shines. The sleek, minimalist look is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. The AirPods are lightweight, making them comfortable for long periods. And their design ensures they stay securely in your ears. Now, let's address a critical aspect, the user experience. Apple AirPods are known for their intuitive touch controls, whether it's playing or pausing music, answering calls, or accessing Siri. Control is literally at your fingertips. But what about durability? Apple has worked to ensure that AirPods can withstand the challenges of daily use. Whether it's sweat during a workout or a bit of rain, the latest AirPods models have you covered with their improved resistance. One of the most exciting features of the newer AirPods models is the introduction of spatial audio. This feature brings a theatre-like experience to your ears with sound that feels like it's coming from all around you. It's a immersive experience that's hard to describe until you've tried it yourself. The integration with Siri is another standout feature. With voice-activated assistants, You can send messages, make calls, or even get directions without ever having to reach for your phone. It's convenience taken to the next level. But it's not just about what the AirPods can do. It's about how they fit into your lifestyle. You know, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home, the AirPods offer a level of freedom that traditional wired headphones can't match. Now, let's talk about customization. With the AirPods, you're not just limited to a one-size-fits-all approach. The latest models offer different sizes of ear tips, ensuring you get the perfect fit for your ears. This not only enhances comfort, but also improves sound quality by providing better noise isolation. Speaking of noise, let's delve into the noise cancellation capabilities of the AirPods Pro. The active noise cancellation feature is a game changer, allowing you to block out external noise and focus on your audio. Whether you're on a noisy train or in a busy office, you can create your own personal sound oasis, but sometimes you need to be aware of your surroundings. And that's where the transparency mode comes in. This feature lets outside sound in, so you can hear what's happening around you without removing your AirPods. It's the perfect balance between immersion and awareness. Apple's commitment to sustainability is also evident in the AirPods, with a focus on using recycled materials and reducing environmental impact. You can feel good about your purchase knowing it aligns with eco-friendly practices. The AirPods also come with a range of accessories that can enhance your experience. From protector cases to ear hooks, there's a variety of options available to personalize your AirPods and keep them safe. And let's not forget about the Find My feature. If you ever misplace your AirPods, Apple's Find My network can help you locate them, providing peace of mind for those moments when they slip out of sight. In conclusion, Apple AirPods are more than just wireless earbuds. They're a reflection of Apple's commitment to innovation, quality, and user experience. From their sound quality and design to their integration with the Apple ecosystem, the AirPods offer a level of convenience and performance that's hard to beat. Remember, you can check out the AirPods for yourself through the link in our description. It's an investment in your audio experience that you won't regret. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the world of Apple AirPods. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and insights. See you next time.